Just got your CDL. Listen to this. What's up, my people? Just got your CDL. Well, we're gonna get into it, alright? First thing is first. Of course, you're gonna want to make more money, but if you just got your CDL license, the first thing you really want to focus on is gaining experience. So, looking for companies that will train you, pay for your CDL, and keep you consistently working in a market such as now, where the market is really, really, really low. They're paying basically nothing for load, but you're protected under a company because you have a salary, or you have a set amount of cents per mile that you make. So I would be looking for a company that I can gain experience in and be able to take that with me on to the next job, which is maybe a local gig in the city area that pays more, or something where you're home more because you have kids, or you have a new girlfriend or a new wife or something like that. Or and if you're a guy who's a single guy who just wants to hit the road and experience life, look for companies that you'll be able to gain experience all over the country. So that would be my #1 advice for you guys out there with your CDL license that you just got. Don't be too greedy right now. Things are really, really bad out here in the market. So I would focus on experience and just be patient. Like everything, it has its ebbs and flows. It goes up, it goes down. We will be booming soon. Sooner than you know it. People will be looking for work. People will be looking for drivers. People will be looking for trucks. The market will be at an all-time high. So just be patient. Don't hop around too many companies. You know, that's where mistakes happen. So, all right, guys, hit the road safe. Remember to live life to the fullest and love life to the fullest. All right, everybody. So, to the Operators Truck Club, I'll catch you later. Peace.